Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss a very important term. We will use this term many times in programming, that is compiler and interpreter. Friends, first of all, it is very common to know that what is compiler. So let's understand in a simple term that what is compiler. Compiler is nothing, just a translator, you can say. Suppose there are the two persons. One person knows English and another person knows Spanish. So they wanted to talk with each other, but they can't talk because they don't understand each other's language. Because English person does not know how to speak Spanish and Spanish person does not know how to speak English. So there should be a third person who knows English and Spanish both languages. So the third person is the translator here. So same situation is here in computer programming, that we give instruction to computer in other language and computer understand a different language. So there is a need of translator here. So compiler is the translator here. So what does compiler do here? Compiler, we generally write a computer program using a high level language. First of all, whatever we are writing a program, we will write in high level language. High level language is one that is understood by us humans. This is called source code. This means whatever we are writing a program in C language, C++, Java, in any other language, that is called high level language. Means English language is the high level language, but the computer does not know the high level language. Computer only understand 0 and 1 only, friends. Computer only understand 0 and 1. He does not know English, he does not know high level language. So there will be a need of the compiler here. So what would the compiler do here? Compiler will translate high level language to machine level language so that computer can understand it easily. Now friends, we are going to more detail in compiler and interpreter. Compiler and interpreter code uses convert source code into machine code. If we are converting a source code into machine code, then we use either a compiler or interpreter. We can use either compiler or interpreter to translate the code, but we will discuss later that what is the difference between compiler and interpreter here. Both compilers and interpreters are used to convert a program written in high level language into machine code understood by the computers. This means the working of compiler interpreter is same here. However, there are differences between how compiler interpreter works. So we will discuss the difference between the compiler and interpreter. So till now what we understand that compiler and interpreter are the translators. They just translate the high level language, English level language into machine level language, that is 0 and 1. So here we will see the functionality of compiler and interpreter. Compiler, what does compiler do here? We will write the source code. Compiler compiles that source code into machine code and will produce the output. And what does interpreter do here? Interpreter, we write the code in source code and interpreter directly display the output by compiling the program. This means that first of all, if we use the compiler, then compiler will generate an exe file here, before run the program. Before run the program, compiler will generate a exe file and then it will display the result. But interpreter does not generate the exe file. It will directly display the output. Okay friends, that's why in C level language we use compiler, C++, Java we use compiler, and in other languages like Python we use the interpreter. So we will understand by table. Yes. So first difference is that scan the entire program. What does the compiler does? Compiler scan the entire program and translate as a whole into machine. What does the compiler does? If there are 3 lines written, compiler first of all will read the 3 lines and will translate all the 3 lines in a single phase to machine level language. And what does interpreter do here? Interpreter translate. Suppose 3 lines are there. First of all, interpreter will read this line and will translate it. Will read the second line, will translate it. Will read the third line and translate it. So it translates high level language into machine level language one by one, while the compiler read all the lines in a single phase and will translate into machine level language. Second difference, it takes a large amount of time to analyze the source code. Overall, the execution time is compressively faster. The execution time of the compiler is faster because it reads all the codes in a single phase and translates it into directly, while interpreter is slower than compiler. Third difference, it generates the error message only after scanning the whole program, hence the debugging is comparatively hard. Debugging in compiler is hard because if there are 3 lines, then it will read 3 lines and if there are 2 errors, then it will display 2 errors at the end of the program. So it is very difficult to trace the program that where the problem is. While the compiler, there are 3 lines. If the error in the one line, first line, the compiler will stop execution until the error rectifies. And if the error rectifies, and then we will run the program. If the error is in the second line, the compiler will also stop again. So what the compiler does here? Compiler will display the error message at the end of the program, while the translator display error message line by lines. So it is very difficult to trace the program here, and it is very easy to trace the program by the interpreter. Which language is used to compile? As we discussed earlier, C language, C++, Java uses the compiler because of these benefits, and Python, Ruby uses interpreters. Compiler generates intermediate object code, that means exe. Before we run the program, it generates exe file, while interpreter does not generate exe file, it directly generates the output. So friends, this is the basic difference between compiler and interpreter. We will use compiler term many times in our programming language. We will not use interpreter because we will learn only C, C++, .NET in our tutorials. So friends, if you like my video, then you can subscribe, like or comment, or if you have any questions regarding to the programming or tutorials, then you can comment here.